Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of quick housekeeping on our file. A couple of things that I forgot to pick up and do before. So we're going to open into our project and tidy up some of those things. So opening up Revit, open up our project and just waiting for it to open. So what we're going to do is we're going to set some levels in our project. So at the moment, we've only got two levels in there. We've got like level 1, level 2. So we're going to set some of those. And then we need to adjust the floor and do a bit of an offset on there. So let's pick an elevation view. And we'll do the east view. Let's have a look at that. Oh, let's try the west. It's the same. Okay. So at the moment, we've got level 1 and level 2. We're going to leave level 1 as that at 0. We're going to change level 2 to be where our roof is. So what we're going to do is we're going to click in here. Lets me do it. Relabel that as roof. Press enter onto that and you can put that back. And then the height of our roof is actually 3,500. So we're just going to go 35. Brings it down. Okay, now we've got a few more to add. So what we're going to do is just going to shrink that out a little bit so we can see the whole thing. If you go into architecture, you've got levels here in the datum box. Grab that. We want to put another one, and let's see if I can get this the right way around. Like that. And so we want one above the roof, and then we need two below the bottom one. So we'll tidy these up with measurements and stuff in a minute. Let's go like that. Okay, so now that we've got those there, we should be able to click on that and why is it not put a head? There we go, that's what we want to do. Make sure it's got a head, which is this thing over here, so we can actually put that on there. So the first level underneath level 1 becomes round 1, and we want a negative figure in there of minus 1,000. And then click on the bottom one, make sure we put a head on that. This is going to be round 2, and we have a negative offset in here of 2,800, so negative 2,800. Now, if you want to, and these things are in the road a little bit, you can use the lightning bolt there to sort of break those heads, and you can move those down to give you a little bit more space in between so it's all nice and clean. We've got one more at the top. I'm not sure what the difference is between this one and this one. Let's have a look and see what the difference is. I can't see anything there. Top one we're going to call roof column. I think I've got that right. Yep. And the height of this then becomes 4,700. And again, we can break that and we can push that up the other way. So it looks something like that. So we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels now. So that's our first thing that we need to do to tidy all those things up. Okay, so if we go back into our 3D view, we should be able to see all those things on our 3D view. That's looking pretty good. Happy with that. Okay, so the next thing, the housekeeping that we need to do is we've created all our beams. What we're going to do is select that one there, which is the 200 by 200. We're going to right click on that and go select all instances in the project, which should pick up all the middle ones. And I'm just wondering whether these ones here also have to be that. I think I changed it there, but it doesn't look like I've changed it there. So what we might do is just grab that and change that to the 200 by 200. That one there. 200 by 200, that one there. 200 by 200, that should be already 200. Okay, let's try that again. Select all instances in the project. Okay, then we've got to do a negative offset on the Z offset of 150. Go apply. Oops. There's a positive, negative offset. Hit apply. And that just pops them down. You can see it's like it's below the surface now. So when we want to put our floor in there later on, the floor is going to fit. And you can see it's still flush on the bottom. So 150 because the height of these is 350. So we've just reduced that by half or whatever it is. So that looks good. Okay, sweet. We're going to save that there. The next video we're going to do is we're going to start putting some walls in on our frame here. So tune in for that one.